Instant Dark Mode is a browser extension that instantly inverts website colors for a dark mode experience that is easy on your eyes. It uses a smart invert that does not invert colors on images and videos so that they will still appear in normal colors. How to use. After adding the extension to your browser, then go to another website because extensions are not allowed to run at the Chrome Web Store. Extensions are also not allowed to run on a browser new tab or on special Chrome / pages, such as the Chrome settings page. So after going to any other website, then click on the extension icon that looks like a crescent moon at the top right corner of the browser toolbar. If you don't see the icon, then click on the extensions icon that looks like a jigsaw puzzle piece in the top right corner of the browser toolbar. Look for Instant Dark Mode in the list and then click on the pin icon next to it. Now click on the extension icon, the crescent moon, in the browser toolbar, and then click on Start Stop. Now website colors are instantly inverted, and you can see that Instant Dark Mode is on because of the On label on the icon in the toolbar. Instant Dark Mode will now be active on every website. On a browser new tab page, extensions are not allowed to work, but if you type in a Google search phrase and then press enter, then the browser will go to google.com and Instant Dark Mode will work great there. To turn off Instant Dark Mode, click on the crescent moon icon in the browser toolbar and then click on the Start Stop button again. Instant Dark Mode will turn off and the On label will disappear from the icon in the toolbar. After purchasing the full edition of Instant Dark Mode, then you can enable settings in the extension pop-up, such as Start Automatically with Chrome Browser, or the setting Enable Keyboard Shortcut. It defaults to Alt-I key combination, but that combination can be changed by going to Chrome //extensions/shortcuts. Use Instant Dark Mode browser extension for a lightweight and great dark mode experience for your browser.